Welcome back to Lily's Everyday, everyone. Today I will be making a farmhouse themed floral arrangement using all items from the Dollar Tree. To get started on this project, we're going to be needing 9 stems of lavender or the flowers of your choice. I also picked up this bucket which matches the farmhouse theme, 1 package of Spanish moss, 2 cubes of styrofoam, scissors. I picked up this nautical rope. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it or not, but just in case. And don't forget your trusty glue gun. Let's get started. First off, I'm going to go ahead and secure the styrofoam squares inside the bucket by using some of my glue gun on the side of each square and then just placing it firmly into the bucket. Next, I will pre-arrange the flowers to decide on the overall design. Once I decided on the overall design, I went ahead and marked the spots on the styrofoam using the stems and then rearranged the flowers accordingly. I decided to do 2 rows. The back row will have 5 stems and will be higher than the front row, which will have 4 stems, and this will add additional dimension to the overall design. Since the front row is shorter than the back row, I went ahead and just simply pushed that a little bit further in the styrofoam. I didn't even bother cutting the stems. This is what we have so far. Pretty cute, right? And the final step is to cover the styrofoam using the Spanish moss. I do highly recommend for you to put down some newspaper before you open up the Spanish moss for ease of cleanup. Also, I found that it is easier to cut the moss rather than pull it apart and then put it into the container. I ended up not even needing the glue gun for this step. The moss really stayed where it was placed. Alright guys, here is the final result of the lavender farmhouse floral arrangement design. I loved how this came out. It was so farmhouse chic. My husband loved it just as much because I had intentionally made this to go into a little corner in the kitchen where it needed some brightening, but he immediately took it and stuck it on our bathroom counter and said, "You're not touching it, this is where it belongs." So I guess we have another DIY project coming up for the kitchen perhaps. So stay tuned guys, like the video if you haven't already, subscribe and share this video with a family or a friend. Thank you all so much for watching. See you back again soon.